right, we are looking at lesson 79 today. We're looking at metric volume, and we're going to look at 45, 45, 90 triangles. Yes, the last one we did was 30, 60, 90. And this is the other type of special triangle. These are the two that are special. You're going to have to know these to be able to convert metric volume units. Anybody think of what a metric unit might be? Liters, meters, centimeters, that kind of thing. But not gallons. Yeah. 1 liter is 1,000 cubic centimeters. You will have to know that. One liter is also 1,000 milliliters. And then, obviously, because 1 liter equals both 1,000 centimeters cubed and 1,000 milliliters, 1 centimeter cubed equals 1 milliliter. Do you see how that works? No, they're not hard. But you have to know these to be able to use them in problems like this. Do these look familiar? All we're adding are the metric units. Those last 3 that we just looked at. No, they're not all going to be this easy. This is as easy as it gets. Will someone go convert that to liters?
Sean.
He just typed on you.
What did you say, Sean?
Do it first.
Second.
What did you say, Sean? See me. See me how you do this. See me.
Just get it right.
Right.
Then you can say that.
He got me laughing. What did you say, Sean?
You want to know what he said?
Do you agree?
Yes.
Any questions? Okay, are they normally going to be this easy? No. They're only going to be like this. Convert 4 cubic feet to liters. Well, we know liters can convert to what? Milliliters? But that's not what we want. We want it to get to centimeters. Yeah. And the inches into centimeters, and then centimeters into liters. You can go, real quick, you can go from centimeters to milliliters and then to liters, but 1 cubic centimeter is the same thing as, 1,000 cubic centimeters is the same thing as 1 liter. So you don't have to go to milliliters and then to liters. You can go straight from centimeters cubed to liters. Does that make sense? Centimeters cubed is equal to a liter. You can use that one. You don't have to use the milliliters. So what are we going to start off by doing? Going to inches. So 1 foot. Why am I writing it out 3 times? Now what? Now you go to centimeters. So now I'm to centimeters cubed, right? So this is the new part. We know it's centimeters cubed. What does that convert to? 1 liter. You see how that works? That's the only new thing on these types of problems. No, because the centimeters cubed cancels with all 3 of these. So yeah, you only do this one time. Whichever.
Oh, it's not that bad.
Do you agree? No.
I have that.
Okay, never mind.
Any questions? Okay. See if you can do this one by yourself.
We can do it.
Someone want to go work it out on the board?
I will.
Okay.
Ooh, what color do I want? How do you like do
I usually don't.
She's right, you're like, yes, don't check scratch.
Do you agree?
Wait,
I did it.
would you multiply 2.54 3 times?
Yeah.
Or would that watch it?
Yeah, the way that you have it written, I would mark it wrong.
It's 3.5 1.
You want, you want to cube it? Yeah, you didn't put your units, but you want to cube the actual number, not the centimeters cubed. And then you're supposed to go to inches cubed. Yeah. Just make sure to put, like, don't put the units cubed, like, put whatever it is, the number cubed. Any other questions on these? No? All right, 45, 45, 90 triangles. What do you think a 45, 45, 90 triangle looks like? Isosceles, right triangle. All right, so you remember 30, 60, 90 has 1, square root of 3, and 2? You don't have to write that part. Okay? But you remember those? Do we need to go back over them? Okay. Every 45, 45, 90 triangle is 1, 1, and square root of 2. And that's what it looks like. Your legs are 1. Why are they the same? The angles are the same, right? I like them better. Yeah. Well, yeah. Yes, your legs are 1, your hypotenuse is square root of 2. Yes, square root of 2. Because 1 squared plus 2 squared equals square root of 2 squared. Using Pythagorean theorem. Uh-huh. Yeah, using your Pythagorean theorem. That's true, right? 1 plus 1 equals 2. So your side lengths are 1, 1, and square root of 2. Yeah. 1 squared plus 1 squared equals square root of 2 squared. Any questions so far? Okay. So we want to use similar triangles to find x and y. How would I fill in my similar triangle? 2 square root of 2. Now what do? You make proportions. We've done these before, right? It's not with a 45, 45, 90 triangle. What proportion would I use? Do you see how that works? Yes, x and y are the same. Your legs are always the same, yeah. Yes. So square root of 2 x equals 7. So x equals 7 over square root of 2. You have to rationalize it. You can't have a radical in your denominator. So that's x. What does y have to be? Usually, I think they'll do your answer like that. X equals y equals whatever it is. They've done that before, I think. Okay. Any questions on these? Anything at all? Do we need to go over the similar triangle for 45, 45, 90? Okay. All right then, go ahead and clear your desk for your test corrections.